Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change notification vibration pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Upon receiving notifications you will experience some vibration. That means your phone will set to some vibration while receiving notifications. So if you want to change those vibration pattern, yes, you can do it. Just what you have to do is go to the settings, and go to note sounds and vibration, then go to notification vibration pattern here, and it is set to already TikTok. If you want to set to another one, yes, you can select. I have here selected heartbeat. Actually 5 options are available here. Okay, basic, heartbeat, TikTok, waltz, jig jig jig. I would like to set to heartbeat, and yes, now this will be the notification vibration pattern for our phone. So in this way you can easily change notifications vibration pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.